Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Lora. I really appreciate you being here. Today, I'm going to show you a couple of yarns that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm also going to show you the yarn that I bought from Joann's that I think is just beautiful for fall. But first, let's take a look at the project that I finally finished. So here is my completed project, the Wild Oleander Hooded Scarf by Wickedly Handmade. And I will have a link for that pattern down in the description box below. This is a very easy to understand pattern. It was so easy to read, and it only required a couple of basic stitches. And she has a lot of different sizes on her pattern, so I just thought that was wonderful, especially since I haven't been able to crochet for a while, and this has been in my unfinished objects bag for over a year. So I finally got it done. It's gorgeous. I love it. You should check it out if you haven't made one of these already. The Wild Oleander Hooded Scarf that I just showed you, I made using Red Heart Super Saver, and this is in the color Reef. I know that Red Heart Super Saver isn't that great to use for wearables, but I figured for what I was making it for, it was sufficient because I really loved the colors. If I were to do it again, I don't see there's anything wrong with this. Once you wash it, it's going to soften up, but I probably, if I was planning on wearing it a lot, I would probably choose a better yarn. But this is at least durable. So, you know, and I really love the colors with the brown and the turquoise. So I have been going to a few Dollar Trees lately. We do have several of them around where I live. Actually, I have 8 of them within about 20 minutes, but I usually go to one or the other that are really close within 5 minutes of my house. But the one I went to, they didn't have very much yarn at all, as you can see here, and I was a little bit disappointed in their selection. So then the next day, I decided to go to the other Dollar Tree by me. So I ended up with 5 skeins of this pink chenille yarn all together, and then I ended up getting one of these gray ones as well. I'm thinking I might do a little pig or something. I don't know. My daughter wants me to make something with it, so we'll see what happens. And then I also found something really handy for us crafters, very organizational. This was $1. This is a nice little bin to carry your yarn from room to room, and it has like a wire in it to keep it sturdy. It's made of a thick canvas, and it has like a plastic coating on the inside, so it seems like it would be pretty durable. You could fit a nice amount of yarn into here, so I'm pretty glad with that. It was only $1.25. I also got these cinnamon sticks because I'm making some pumpkins. And I will show those after I'm done making them because I'm trying to figure out my own little pattern here. So we'll see how that goes. And which brings me to my Joann's yarn. And isn't this beautiful yarn for pumpkins? This is called Big Twist Static. And it works up really pretty for fall items. I just love it. It's very soft and it's a number 5, but it's a thin 5. You know, it's not bad. I really like it. It's fluffy and it's going to make some pretty pumpkins. And then from the Dollar Tree, I got some of these fall leaves. I get those every year. And I also got 2 of these bags of large beads, large wooden beads, because I thought this would be great for my wall hangings that I like to do. And I've never seen these there before. I also got some cotton yarn from Sugar and Cream from Joann's. I can't believe how expensive it is now. I literally have not been to Joann's in over a year, and I can't believe how much the price of yarn has gone up. You know, since I wasn't able to crochet because of my arm, I didn't buy any yarn, and I really didn't buy any yarn online either. So, you know, the only yarn I bought was like a few hanks of hand-dyed yarn just to have in my collection that I'll probably never use. But so I'm going to do something special with this and hopefully come out with a tutorial. Hopefully I'll come up with some cute project to do with these little pink chenille skeins as well. And I think that's about it. One other thing that I got that is really cute, but beware if you get this item, beware of this witch right here, because once you pull that little thing out, she never stops laughing. So I had to like wad up a little piece of paper and put it underneath. Isn't that funny? But here she is. Oh, she's so cute. If you have one of these and it doesn't stop laughing, just get a little piece of paper and stick in that little slot right there, and that'll shut her up. But she's so cute. I love her to death. But anyways, I hope everybody has a great day. I hope you enjoyed looking at my shawl that I made. And don't forget, you can click the link below if you like the pattern for that shawl. It is by Wickedly Handmade. And it is an affiliate link, just so you know. You know, when you click on those affiliate links, it does really help me out. I have been going live on Tuesdays and Fridays, so make sure you check those out. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate it. I have lots of yarn content and more to come. Now that my shoulder's better and I'm back to crocheting, the sky's the limit. So I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. If you like diamond painting, make sure you check out my other channel, Diamond Painting with Lora.